To run a successful business online today, you need a framework that works effectively at all the time. That is why in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best 4 framework for a successful online business. Yes, the best 4 framework for a successful online business. So whatever thing you do online, whether you're a coach, you're a businessman or a woman, or you're a consultant, you need to follow these simple step-by-step process that I'm going to be sharing with you right now if you want to succeed or get the best out of the business you are doing right now online. So if you don't follow this framework that I'm going to be sharing with you, trust me, you will find it difficult when it comes to succeeding in the kind of business that you are doing online. So following this process I'm going to be sharing with you will be of help, and it will help you to grow your presence when it comes to the online business. You will see all of those individuals who are successful when it comes to the online space. You will see that they follow some certain framework in which is working for them, and they continually keep doing it, and they are getting the best result out of it and all of that. Because running ad is a process, is not a framework. So what I'm about to share with you is a framework in which when you follow it, you will get a result once you are consistent. So if you don't constantly do all of these things that I'm going to be sharing with you right now, you will not get the best result out of what you are looking for or what you do when it comes to the online space. Hi, my name is Kelechi Franklin Lebini, and all I do on this channel is to share tips and tricks, strategy. Once they work, I come here, I share them with you, and you also try them at your own end, and you get the same results. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification icon so that you will not miss any of my videos. So guys, in this video, we are going to consider together the best 4 framework that will help you to succeed when it comes to you building your business online. So whether you're a coach or you're a consultant, when you follow this framework that I'm going to be sharing with you, you will get the result that is required. And the very first framework that I'm going to be considering together with you is what we know as having an active lead generation system. Yes, you need to find a system that constantly generates or sends traffic to you at every particular time. Yes, quality traffic. When I mean quality traffic, I mean those traffic that you will generate that will give you the result that you are looking for. As you all know, traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. Yes, on any online business that you see today that is existing, that is succeeding, traffic is the #1 process in which has made that particular business to be successful. So without traffic, you will not have any lead, and without lead, you will not make any sale. That means you need this traffic in order for you to get this lead, and in order for you to get the sales that you are looking for. That is why, for example, if you look at the online space right now, especially affiliate marketers who are succeeding, those individuals who are succeeding effectively, you will notice one specific thing that they do. Many of them has a lot of traffic generator source in which is making them to succeed the way you see them succeed. Yes, many of them generate up to 100 leads per day, 200, 300, 400 leads per day. And that is why when they generate this lead per day, by the end of the week, they make a lot of sales. That is why at the end of the day, you see a lot of payouts that this individual showcase or show individuals who wants to join the system, or they show their testimony showing that the system is working. This is all possible because of the lead generation method in which they are using. So that is why I say that traffic is the lifeblood of any online business that you are seeing today. So without the traffic, they will not get the lead that they are looking for. They will not make that sales that they are looking for. So whether you are a coach or you're a consultant, you must have an active lead generator system. Yes, this is very, very important. You must have an active lead generation system in which it will give you that is required for you. Without an active lead generation system, you cannot succeed. You cannot get that best sale that you are looking for, because lead is what makes your business to become what it is. That you open an opt-in page for yourself, it may require that you create a landing page and you regularly send traffic to your opt-in page in order for you to get the quality lead that you are looking for. So you get the names of the individual which you see or which you attract from your traffic, and then you come to follow them up and then turn them to customers or buyers for yourself. So if you send 1,000 traffic to your opt-in page, and you will see that majority of these individuals who come into your opt-in page, it's not all of them that will end up buying the product, or it's not all of them that end up becoming a customer. It requires you following these individuals up and then seeing them to turn to become your customers, and then they become those individuals who you will guide through the process of making other money online. So what I'm trying to say here is you need to have an active lead generation system that continue to give you the quality lead that you need in order for you to succeed when it comes for you to make the best sales when it comes to online. When you don't have this active lead generation system, you find it difficult to succeed when it comes to the online space. So it requires your little effort on your own part to create an opt-in page, to follow these individuals who come into your opt-in page, whereby they'll have to drop their names, their phone numbers, their email address, and you at your own end will now have to follow this individual who come to your app, to your opt-in page or your landing page, and then convert them to become customers who will buy your product. So it all requires your time, it all requires your effort. It's not an easy work. That is why those individuals who are succeeding today, they all do these things and they are making the best out of it. So having a lead is one thing, and turning this lead that you have generated into customer is another different thing. So you need to regularly, at your own time, regularly follow this individual up, or turning this your lead to become potential customers who will patronize you in your business. That is why when you follow them up by continue sending them messages, continue to follow them up to know the reason what's delaying them from taking the action of joining or to buy the product that you are looking for, you will see that at the end of the day, you will turn this individual into your customers and you keep making money for yourself. Another framework that we are going to consider is the number 2, which I call having an effective sales system that converts the lead. Yes, having an effective sales system that converts the lead. The main end goal is to make sales. That is why you generate traffic. So if you generate tons on tons of leads and you don't convert those your lead into people who will buy your product or into customers who will buy your product, you will end up having nothing. That is why when you are generating lead, you need to convert those leads that you are generating. That is why they always say that money always exchange hands when money is involved. That is to say that when you have value, people will always come to buy a product in which you offer. So converting your lead to customer is very, very essential and very, very important. So having an effective sales system that can help you to convert this individual into customers will help you to generate tons of money for yourself. Now, take for instance, for those of you who run business online, this is what you need to do. It will not be proper that you are running a Facebook ad and you are directing people to your sales page or to your sales funnel directly. It is not always proper, because you end up losing a lot of individuals or customers who you needed to convert to your customers. Yes. All you just need to do is to create an opt-in page in which will help you in order for you to get these individuals first, collect their email list, collect their email and put them in your email list, then convert them to your customers. Because a lot of these individuals who come into your sales page end up not buying your product at that particular moment. But when you create your Facebook ad and you now create it in order to direct individual to your opt-in page first, once they reach your opt-in page, it will require them to drop their email address and their phone number with their names and all of that. Now, your email list will now be able to follow them up, and then you will now be able to convert them to your customers as time goes on. Yeah, this will require you to use an automated system whereby you need to use an email sequence where you can be able to automate it, so that if the viewer comes into your opt-in page and they drop your email address can immediately drop an email response to them immediately for them to know that they are valued, even though they don't buy that product at that particular moment. So you on your own can continue to follow them up and continue to see that you convert them to customers. So even though you travel out and you are not around, your business online can still be running because of your email and auto responders that you have that are working, or your auto system in which you have on ground. Yes. So all you just need to do is to generate lead, then set a sales system whereby it collects information from your client or from the individual who are coming to buy your product, and then follow this individual up and converting them into customers. Yes, it will require you to send messages sometimes in order for you to see that this individual come back to buy your product. It can be when you are having a discount, send them a message that the product that they have interest in is having a discount at that particular moment, and you can see this individual will wake up to their feet to buy your product. Yes, many of them can be salary earners who don't have money at that particular time they come to, or they saw your product online. But because of the frequent message you keep on sending to this individual, they can be able to buy your product at the end of the month. So this is how you can be able to use your effective sales system in order for you to convert your lead. Remember, I said that the first one we need to do is for you to have an active lead generation system. Then when you have an active lead generator system, you need to have an effective sales system that can be able to convert this your lead to customers. Yes, you need to have them. That is why the number 3 that I'm going to be discussing with you is you having an effective follow-up system. Yes, I just talked part of it. Yes, I just spoke about a little of it. Yes, you having a follow-up and effective follow-up system will help you to be able to follow up this your individual who come into your opt-in page or your landing page or whatever auto message that you have and all of that. So it might require that you have an email list or email sequence, or you might have an autoresponder or WhatsApp automation and all of that. It can be required that you have a broker's list. Yes, a broker's list, or if for those of you who are consultants, you can require that you put a phone call to this individual to have a section with them, speak to them one-on-one, and then convert them to your customers. So all you just need to do is to understand that you need to follow this individual up when they come into your system. One thing is to run an ad. Another thing is to ensure that this individual who come into your opt-in page turns to your customers. Yes, they turn to your customers. Once you do this, you will see that you will be able to get the best result out of it. You can also retarget those individuals who engage in your sales funnels too or page. Those individuals, when you are running ad and they keep on talking about, or they like your post or what you have just the product you are advertising at that particular moment, you can also retarget them. Yes, and you will see that you'll be able to get them, and then they will buy your product, because many of them might not have the money at that particular moment. But who knows, at that particular moment you are retargeting them, they might want to take action and they want to follow your lead. All you just need to do is to understand that you need to follow the process, have an autoresponder or a broker's list in which you keep on reminding, because you need to show up to this individual. They need to keep on seeing your ad, nurture your leads, and then make a follow-up on them till they become a customer. Yes, that is what is required. You nurture them. It can take weeks, it can take months for this individual to convert. So it might require that you follow them up. Always create a broker list in order for you to reach out to them, to know more about them, discuss with them. If you're a consultant, you can put a call through to know what is holding them or the action that is needed that you can advise them to take in order for them to convert to become your customer. As I said earlier, one thing is to generate lead, another is sales system in which you can use to convert this your lead. That is why I say you need to have an opt-in page or a landing page in which you can come in and then you convert this individual into your customer. Then for you to convert them, it will require that you nurture them. Many people use their WhatsApp status in order for them to nurture this individual, in order for them to grow this individual to become the customers that they need. Yes, so it requires some little effort on your part. It is not easy, it's not an easy work, but it requires effort. That is why those individuals who are succeeding in the online space, they generate tons and tons of leads. So if you generate a lot of leads and you don't convert or you don't nurture this individual, you end up having nothing. So there is no need for you to have a lead and then you don't nurture them to grow, to have confidence or to trust you. It will end up not giving you what you are looking for. That is why the fourth framework that I'm going to talk about is you having a repeat sales system. Yes, you having a repeat sales system. Yeah, you are not in business to sell just for once, but you are in business to continue to sell. That is how a business is to run. You are not to do a hit and run business. That's not what you are doing. You need to have a system in place that keeps your customers and make them to buy from you constantly. Yeah, that is what you need to do. You need to have them at the front end where you need to continue to help them. It might be that this individual came into the system or into your sales funnel because of the recommendation of the good product you have sold to somebody. Someone is now recommending them to you. Yes, they need to continue to follow you. Even those individuals who have bought your product, when you have another product, you can still retarget them again. Give them an opportunity to buy again. That is why when you are selling any product, you need to ensure that the product that you are selling can also benefit them. Can benefit them and they will get the result that they are looking for. If someone buy a product and he or she is not getting the best result, the person will not want to buy the product from you again. But when you know what you sold and you are sure that it can help them to give them the best result, definitely when you have another product to share or to sell, this individual will have no other option than to buy the product from you again. You need to give them a follow-up, continue following them up, know how they are doing. It will require that you call them on phone and ask them, the product you bought, how is it? I know you are getting better. I know this product is making you get the result. Have you made 10 times 10 of the product you have bought and all of that? All of these things will show that you are not just to sell the product, but you came to give them the value. People come to where the value is. So if you have value to give out, people will definitely follow you and all of that. So you need to understand all of this framework and then know how to use them and all of that. As I said earlier, you first of all generate a lead. Then when you generate constant leads, you need to effectively have a sales system that will convert this lead into customers. Yes, you convert them into customers and then do a follow-up, because many of them will not buy the product immediately that they see the product. There is a need for you to nurture this individual by constantly sending them an email. It can be a broadcast, it can be using your WhatsApp status and all of that to help this individual to come to buy the product and all of that. So once you do all of these things, you will see yourself getting the best result out of this. I believe that these 4 simple frameworks that I've just shared with you is of benefit and it will help you to get the best result out of it. One thing is to listen, another thing is to put it to practice, work on all of these things. There are a lot of tools in which you can be able to use today in order for you to automate your system, in order for you to get the best result that you are looking for when it comes to the online space. Do well to check on all of those tools in which you need and then see how you can automate them and get the best easy life that you want and make the best result out of it. So guys, if this video was helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the like button so that many other people can also see this video and section type framework Let us create an algorithm and make this video go a long way. See you on my next video. Peace.